Welcome to the CoinPost channel. It's happened. The Bitcoin price has exceeded $50,000. We're one step away from restarting the bull market and sending the price to the moon again with a target of $100,000 or higher. Right now, let's have a look at the price of the first cryptocurrency, see what levels we've already reached and what's coming next. And then, together with crypto analyst Benjamin Cowan, we'll discuss what Bitcoin needs to do to confirm the bull market. And I will conclude with the latest news that will have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market in the long term. Guys, if you've been waiting for the 50K breakout too, then we need to grow our audience to keep it going. Give this video a thumbs up please, and let's get started. So, the Bitcoin price is over 50K and has now reached an interesting range. This particular level was the first support after the market correction began, when the price set a current high above $64,000. Then there was a brief recovery to 59K, after which the price returned to that support, traded there for literally 3 days, putting everyone who believed in a continued bull market on the train. And then we got the May panic sale. Now Bitcoin has reached 50K again. That zone must become a strong resistance level for sellers, because those who entered the market at the highest price before the fall will definitely want to take the chance to exit the market at no loss. Besides, the growth from the local low of July is over 70%, and the traders that went with that trend might want to take profits. It would be reasonable to expect that bears will act up, but they are not in a hurry to open short positions, which is clearly visible from the chart. The only reason bears are afraid to enter the market is that they don't want to lose money on the upward trend. Let's break it down. Now, other analysts also support the idea of repeating the double peak scenario. But the primary factor that confuses bears and doesn't allow them to take risks now is the Bitcoin upward trend. And I mean, the trend is our friend. The weekly chart has already formed 5 green candles in a row. Last fall there were 7 green candles in a row on the weekly chart, and it triggered a parabolic growth that took Bitcoin to its current high. As for the daily chart, the trend is fully intact, and according to this channel, the price may continue rising towards its upper bound at $54,000. Of course, this is not financial advice, because nobody knows what's gonna happen tomorrow, and the market might have a decent correction. So let's sort it out with the analyst Benjamin Cowan next. Guys, we once agreed with you that we won't indulge in illusions, and if there is bad news, I'll make a video about it too, so that we get the real picture about the market. Anyone who's been watching my videos knows for a fact that I always trust such a bull market indicator as the 21-week MA. And you know for sure that the price tests the current trend from time to time. Right now, even though we're past 50K, there could be a correction all the way down to 46,500. But there's another scenario that growth could continue up to 55K, and there's no serious resistance there, and from there, the price would dip to $49,000. As for the weekly chart, the 21-week MA runs at $43,000. In 2018, in a bear market, we've already seen how the price exceeded and then dropped below this line. To rule out a bull trap scenario, it would be very nice to see a successful retest of this line, but that would require going below 50K again. Why do I want an extra confirmation of a bull market? Because current trading volumes are equal to or less than they were when Bitcoin was just about to break through $20,000. And even though the fear and greed index is 79 again, which equals extreme greed, it would be great if the fear of missing out on profits could be converted into actual purchases. Analyst Benjamin Cowan agrees that we need a correction to confirm the bull market. In his new video, which he released just after Bitcoin price exceeded the 50K level, Benjamin talks about the support line for the entire bull market, which in his mind is at the 20-week MA. He shows that the price is now 15% above this line, and it also returns to it when it needs to get support and continue to rise. Benjamin also points out that in 2020, when Bitcoin came out of the bear trend zone, the price went to confirm a new growth after exceeding this level by more than 25%. Thus, the analyst points out that Bitcoin could surge a few thousand more, but ideally, it would need to return to the support line. In doing so, Benjamin explains, and this is a crucial point, Bitcoin doesn't owe anybody anything, and the market will do what it wants to do. But what we have to do is look for some patterns in the market that will make trading more profitable. And this support is his personal landmark. It will be clearer for him if the market comes to the 20-week line and bounces from it. Although in practice, it may not do so, and it could keep going up without any confirmation, as it happened from October 2020 till April 2021. Guys, if you find my videos fascinating and useful, subscribe to my channel please, and turn on notifications to be the first to get new videos. And finally, I'm moving on to some interesting news. So, PayPal has launched its cryptocurrency services in the UK. This is the first country after the US where PayPal offered Bitcoin purchases to its customers, and in total they operate in over 200 countries. For its part, Deloitte, which is one of the so-called Big Four accounting firms in the world, conducted a survey on the future of cryptocurrencies. It surveyed 1,000 financial professionals from the US, China, Brazil, and other countries, and revealed that 81% agreed that blockchain technology is the future, while 73% believe their business should adopt digital assets. Survey participants cited overly strict regulation as the main threat to the development of the crypto industry. As Coinbase top manager Lawrence Zlatkin pointed out, today around 60 million Americans own crypto, roughly 1/5 of the entire US population. Those Americans and the entire crypto ecosystem deserve more dialogue than midnight provisions inserted in the last minute. The regulatory problem with the US Infrastructure Development Act still remains. But have a look at the number. 1/5 of Americans own crypto. And something's telling me that this is a vital factor for the future regulation of the industry. And it's unknown whether or not US authorities wanted to pull the plug. They missed this chance. And now they'll have to come up with a new system that'll be accepted by the population of the country. To sum it up, Bitcoin is on the way to 100K, but the bull market may still need to confirm it. At the same time, acceptance of cryptocurrencies is growing, and regulators are unlikely to be able to stop the process. How it will play out, I'm gonna tell you first, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel please. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and earn.